Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to see Wi-Fi passwords in Windows 11. Whether you've lost your password for an already connected network or want to connect to a new one, this tutorial will show you how to quickly and easily view any stored Wi-Fi passwords. The first method, using Control Panel. Step 1. You'll need to open Run by pressing Ctrl+R and type in ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. This will open the Network and Sharing Center directly. Step 2. Right-click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Then, click on Status in the menu. Step 3. Click on Wireless Properties in the pop-up window. Step 4. Click on the Security tab in the new pop-up window, and then click on the checkbox next to Show Characters to reveal the Wi-Fi password. Second method, using Windows Settings app. Step 1. Open the Windows Settings app or just press Windows+I to open the Settings app. Step 2. And then click on the Network and Internet section from the left sidebar. Step 3. Then click on Advanced Network Settings at the bottom in the right pane. Step 4. And then click on More Network Adapter Options to open the Network and Sharing Center and Control Panel. Step 5. Right-click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Then click on Status in the menu. Step 6. Click on Wireless Properties in the pop-up window. Step 7. Click on the Security tab in the new pop-up window, and then click on the checkbox next to Show Characters to reveal Wi-Fi password. Third method, using CMD. Step 1. Click on Windows and type CMD and select Run as Administrator. Step 2. In the CMD window, type the following command. Make sure to replace the Wi-Fi profile name with your Wi-Fi name. Step 3. You will find the password in the Security Settings section under Key Content. That's it for this tutorial. I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to see Wi-Fi passwords in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.